Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing some lovely goodies that the wonderful Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design has sent me. We have decided to do a mani swap with each other, sort of like a challenge. We agreed to send each other stuff just enough to do a mani with. I know Vicky has been a bit naughty and she has sent me more than that, and I feel bad because we did agree to just do sort of enough to do a manicure with and sort of see what we can come up with the bits we sent each other. And she's an absolute angel. She's actually sent me quite a few little bits here, which I'm going to show you today. I absolutely love Vicky. She's an absolute star, absolutely lovely lady to talk to, and she's just so kind and generous, and I literally have so much love for her. But yeah, I'm going to show you what she's sent me, and then in another video which will be coming in the next day or two, we will be doing a manicure of what we sent each other. So I'm going to show you what she's sent me. She has sent me a really lovely note as well, but I'm going to keep that to myself. I've put it into my little folder, all the bits that the lovely girls have been sending me. But yeah, I've got two little packages here from her. So first of all, she has sent me some foil glue. So she's been watching some of my videos where I have mentioned that I didn't have any foil glue. I have actually now got some foil glue, but it's nothing amazing, and she's kindly sent me this one to try out. I'm really excited to try it because mine isn't the greatest, and it's always good to have some good foil glue. So thank you so much, Vicky, for sending me that. Really excited to use that one. And then she sent me all these goodies. So she sent me this absolutely stunning stamping plate, which I'm going to try and use in our mani challenge. We've got some owls, some little bees, some spider web, a little sheep, and it's a super cute stamping plate. I've not seen one like this before, so I'm really excited to use that, and I'm going to try and use it in our little mani challenge. And then she sent me this humongous bag of all these different, you've got Fimo pieces and various different bling. And I couldn't be more thankful for this because there's so much in there, and I'm running really low on bling, and I can't wait to use some of these bits. There's some really gorgeous, like the bows and stars and rings and lots of pretty things to use. So again, I'm going to try and use these in our mani challenge. But thank you so much, Vicky. She spoilt me as per. I feel bad because I literally did just send her enough to do her mani with, and she's an absolute angel and she spoils me rotten, and I just love her. So thank you. I'm definitely going to make some good use out of these. She sent me some She Modern foil decals. I'm really excited about these. I don't actually own any She Modern stuff. And I've got some butterflies, some roses, and some little mini butterflies. So thank you so much, Vicky. I can't wait to use them. She sent me some flame foil. Again, I can't wait to use that. I've got quite a bit of flame stuff now. I'm going to have to do some real fiery nails soon, but I haven't got this foil, so thank you so much. And she sent me some stars, some multicolored stars with her gorgeous logo on. Go check out her YouTube. That's her YouTube. Go check it out, and her Instagram as well. Her and her husband Andy have their YouTube channel on Instagram, and that is it. So go check it out and like and subscribe to her. She's sent me one of her glitters, Boss Chick number 93. I love all of Vicky's glitters. If you didn't know already, they do have their own glitter company, and they do lots of amazing, gorgeous glitter mixes. I have shown some in some previous videos, and you can see them on her channel and Pumpkin's Nail Station as well, and also their Facebook. But I'll link everything all down in the description box below anyway. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous mix. I'm definitely going to be using that for our little mani challenge. She's sent me some rose foil. I have already got this, but it is absolutely gorgeous. It's so holographic and just so pretty, so thank you. She's sent me some multicoloured hearts. Again, absolutely gorgeous. I don't have multicoloured hearts, so I can't wait to use them. Thank you very much. So last but certainly not least, she's sent me some decals. We've got these ones here. I'm struggling in all honesty to make out what they are. I've got the flower there. I'm not too sure what those ones are. I'll have to ask Vicky what they are. But they're cute. And she sent me some cute makeup ones. Got some perfume, lipstick. Looks like a blush or something. Some lips and little bows. I love them, thank you. I love the little beautiful lady on them as well. And we've got some Mickey and Minnies. I love them, they're lovely. some more flowers and butterflies. Pretty pink flowers. Oh, they're nice, I like them. Yeah, they're cute. Little flowers again. They're nice as well, very sort of autumnary. But yeah, I like them, thank you. And then we got some unicorns and rainbows, butterflies and hearts and magic wands and lots of pretty things. I really like the colours of them. So yeah, thank you, Vicky. You've certainly given me a challenge because I have no idea what I'm going to create all these bits. But thank you so much. I really do appreciate your generosity, as you know anyway. I could tell you off when you're sending me so much stuff. But I love you so much, so thank you. I can't wait to have a play of these and see what I can create with them for our Mani challenge. You're naughty, you shouldn't have sent me this much, but I love you for it, so thank you. But yeah, everyone go check out Vicky's channel, go subscribe, and keep your eyes peeled to see our Mani challenge and what we create with the bits that we sent each other. And I kind of feel bad because again she sent me so freaking much, but I love it all so much. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with this all, so thank you so much. I appreciate it all so much. Like I said, I love all the glitter girls, they've all been so lovely and kind to me, and I'm so glad I've joined this group and I'm having so much fun doing all these collaborations and everything. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled for both of our videos. I will link Vicky's video down below of what I sent her for her Mani challenge. Keep your eyes peeled to see what we create with these. So yeah, much love everyone, and I shall see you soon. Bye.